welcome back to my channel. I have a huge announcement to make. Cupid Fragrance is having a huge Christmas sale. Buy one, get two free on Hypnosis 2.0, which is a cologne infused with pheromone that attracts women, which is an excellent deal for the holiday season. And it also makes a perfect gift for others and a perfect gift for yourself. How the bottle looks. It's a 1.7 ounce bottle. You get 600 sprays, which is an excellent deal. This smells so good for an affordable price. The key notes are citrus, and it has some amber, musk, and spice. I just love when my man wears this. He's on his 4th bottle, and every time I smell it on him, it gets me in the mood. If you're single and looking for someone, I highly recommend this fragrance. Everywhere my man goes, he receives tons of compliments from women, and women walking up to him asking him, what does he have on? Sometimes I get jealous, but I'm telling you, if you're single and you're looking for someone, especially during the holiday season and for the new year, purchase this fragrance and you won't be disappointed. Also, Cupid gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if this fragrance doesn't work for you or you don't receive any compliment, you will get your money back. Let me know in the comment section if you will try this fragrance. And I hope you, ladies and gentlemen, have an awesome day.